Hey guys, what's up? This is Jared Culp. In today's video, we're doing a resistance band leg workout. So we're gonna be using resistance band. I have my resistance bands right here. They're hooked up. Two are hooked up to one like that. So I can use, and this is like altogether, this is 90 pounds right here. So since your legs are a lot stronger than your arms, I'm using 90 pounds. So let's jump right into it. 30-second squats.
Take a break.
Second leg press.
Take a break.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
30-second right leg kickback.
We'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
'Take a break.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow
30-second left leg kickback.
fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways,
Take a break.
and on.
Open eye
30-second front lunge right.
through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Take a break.
Lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move.
30-second front lunge left.
Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
'Take a break.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight.
30-second incline leg stretch right.
Chemicals collide.
Take a break.
Can make me
30-second incline leg stretch left.
Take a break.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun.
Workout complete. There you go, guys. Hopefully this was useful to you. If it was useful to you, make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.